Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top 5 best-selling products in the beauty and personal care category. Whether you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine or find that perfect beauty essential, these items are trending for a reason. First on our list is the revitalizing hyaluronic acid serum. It's a fan favorite for achieving hydrated, youthful skin. Say goodbye to dryness and fine lines. Next up, we have the curl-defining hair cream. If you want to embrace your natural curls, this product is a must-try. It enhances and tames those lovely locks. In the third spot, we have the all-in-one makeup palette. This versatile palette has everything you need for a stunning makeup look, from eyeshadows to blush and lipstick. For skincare enthusiasts, the Vitamin C Brightening Serum is a game-changer. It's known for its ability to fade dark spots and give your skin a radiant glow. Last but not least, we have the Silk Sleep Mask. A good night's sleep is essential for your beauty routine, and this luxurious mask ensures you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. These top 5 bestsellers have garnered rave reviews and are trusted by many in the beauty and personal care community. Give them a try and take your self-care routine to the next level. Links to these products are in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beauty insights, and share your favorite beauty and personal care products in the comments. Thanks for watching.